Welcome back to Trends Tech, where we explore the world of kitchen innovation. Join us as we review top products that enhance your cooking, cleaning, and organization, making your kitchen more efficient and stylish.
Upgrade your kitchen with the Red Chef Cookware Set, which features a complete range of stackable pots and pans with convenient removable handles, saving up to 75% cabinet space. Made from PFAS-free ceramic materials, these pieces ensure healthy, non-stick cooking without harmful chemicals like Teflon. The set is oven-safe up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and transitions effortlessly between stove, oven, fridge, and serving table. Durable, dishwasher-safe, and engineered for long-lasting performance, this set delivers both versatility and elegance to any kitchen.
Get organized with this Smart Wrap Storage Box, a wall-mounted plastic organizer designed for kitchen wraps, bags, and more. Its no-drill installation uses strong adhesives, offering a safe, durable, and stylish storage solution that leaves no marks on walls. The box's practical shape and smooth dispensing make it perfect for storing foil, parchment, and sandwich bag rolls in the kitchen, bathroom, or even for picnics, keeping everything neatly arranged and easily accessible. Experience ultra-fast chilling with a Chill-O-Matic beverage cooler, which brings your 12-ounce can of beer, soda, or energy drink from warm to ice cold in just 60 seconds, 240 times faster than your fridge. Compact, light, and battery-powered for ultimate portability, it safely cools drinks without foaming, making it a must-have gadget for parties, road trips, picnics, or any outdoor adventure. Forget messy explosions and enjoy perfectly chilled beverages quickly and effortlessly.
Protect and style your appliances with this dust-proof refrigerator cover made from thick, fade-resistant fabric that's easy to wash. This cover shields your refrigerator and washing machine from dust, scratches, and stains, while side pockets provide clever storage for sponges, gloves, or small kitchen accessories. With modern patterns, this cover enhances the look of your kitchen while offering practical protection and organization.
Enjoy clean air in the kitchen without bulky installations with the portable range hood. This smart mini extractor uses 3 adjustable speeds and advanced aluminum and polymer filters to handle steam, grease, and odors with minimal noise and maximum efficiency. Compact and cordless, it's perfect for small spaces, apartments, or portable setups, efficiently keeping air fresh while saving space.
Prepare meals quickly with the Keuki Salad Shooter, a rechargeable, cordless vegetable slicer featuring 4 interchangeable stainless blades for slicing, julienning, shredding, or grating cheese, veggies, and more. Its ergonomic design with built-in blade compartments and pusher ensures safe, effortless chopping. The Type-C charging port and overheat protection guarantee ease of use and safety, making this slicer a core tool for healthy, quick meal prep.
Master the art of frying with this stainless steel deep fryer pot, equipped with a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control and an oil draining rack for healthier cooking. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and featuring an easy clean design and pouring spout, this pot ensures safe, mess-free frying of tempura, fries, and more.
Bake and whip with versatility using the Bella hand and stand mixer, a dual-function appliance that transforms from hand mixer to stand mixer. Featuring dishwasher-safe bowls, dough hooks, and beaters with a built-in viewing window, its powerful motor and suction cup base provide stability and thorough mixing. Switch between mixing and kneading with ease, streamlining prep for breads, cakes, and more.
Eliminate clutter with this wall-mounted dry food dispenser, which stores up to 25 pounds of 5 different grains or cereals in airtight compartments. Its smart first-in, first-out system keeps food fresh, while a press-to-dispense funnel delivers the perfect amount with no mess. Transparent and sturdy, it's ideal for kitchens prioritizing efficiency and organization.
Make salads in seconds with this electric salad spinner. The battery-powered spinner rapidly dries vegetables, fruits, and greens in a large, food-safe mixing bowl. Its BPA-free design, automatic basket, and easy charging feature ensures simple, swift meal prep, while the spinner doubles as a versatile kitchen bowl for mixing or serving.
This 9-piece silicone funnel set is a must for every kitchen. featuring collapsible, heat-resistant funnels in various sizes for liquids, dry goods, oils, and spices. Made from durable, BPA-free silicone, these funnels are flexible, non-slip, and compact enough to fit in any drawer, making pouring and transferring mess-free. They are dishwasher safe and perfect for both home and travel use, promising maximum convenience for all your kitchen needs.
Transform your barbecues with the hanging grill, which features 20 rotating skewers kept in constant motion for perfectly even grilling in just 8 to 10 minutes. Built with double-layer stainless steel, this grill's smokeless charcoal and bottom ventilation design ensure efficient fuel use and bold, fast-cooking flavors. It is lightweight, collapsible, and comes with convenient handles, making it the ideal portable grill for hikes, picnics, and gourmet feasts at home.
The Crudité snack tray delivers organized, fresh storage for fruits, veggies, deli meats, and snacks with its smart, dual-sided, flexible silicone lids that seal tightly to preserve freshness and prevent spills. These stackable containers are compact yet spacious, ideal for meals on the go, in the office, or for picnics, and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning.
Revolutionize breakfast with the Egg Spinner, a rechargeable kitchen gadget that scrambles eggs inside their shells using a 15-watt motor and centrifugal force. Its secure silicone holder and non-slip rubber feet ensure safe operation, while the included egg slicer allows for neat serving of boiled eggs. Portable and battery-powered, this device is perfect for kitchens or outdoor cooking. Enjoy fresh dates, cherries, or grapes with the Date Seed Remover, a one-press stainless steel tool that quickly and easily removes pits. Ergonomically designed for one-handed operation, it features sturdy construction for long-lasting durability, making it ideal for quick, safe preparation in the kitchen, at picnics, or while camping.
Reduce waste and keep your food fresh for longer with this set of 6 silicone lids designed to fit cups, bowls, pots, and pans of different sizes. The lids are oven, microwave, and fridge safe, withstanding temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Flexible, colorful, and equipped with handles for easy removal, this dishwasher-safe set is a sustainable, reusable replacement for single-use plastic wrap. Peeling fruit and vegetables is effortless with the Rotato Express, an automatic electric peeler equipped with spare blades and a thumb knife for detail work. Stable and safe, it peels potatoes, apples, and more with the push of a button, saving time and keeping countertops clean. This appliance is ready as soon as you plug it in, ideal for busy modern kitchens.
Effortlessly squeeze the freshest juices with this manual aluminum juicer, which features an ergonomic handle and corrosion-resistant body. Its powerful press is suitable for various citrus fruits, lemons, oranges, grapefruits, and pomegranates, delivering juice rich in nutrients while separating seeds and pulp. Compact and sturdy, the juicer is easy to clean, but best washed by hand to maintain its robust performance. Upgrade your vegetable prep with the potato knife, which features a serrated stainless steel blade that cuts perfect wavy patterns for potato chips, carrot sticks, and decorative fruit slices. Comfortable in hand with a rubberized grip and a convenient hanging hole, this knife ensures precise slicing and is especially useful for making visually appealing, evenly cooked foods. Make homemade butter the traditional, easy way with the Kilner Butter Churner, featuring hand-operated metal gears and a pressed glass jar that holds up to a full quart of cream. Thanks to its sturdy wooden handle and included silicone spatula, it produces fresh butter in under 10 minutes. Elegant in design, yet durable for daily use, it's a delightful addition to any kitchen for health-conscious or gourmet cooks. Thanks for watching Trends Tech. Subscribe for more kitchen product reviews. Hit the like button and let us know your favorite product from today's video in the comments.